guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up my Stitch Fix box for the month of December. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You're going to pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she is going to choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, whatever you want. And when you fill out your profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent to you and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then a $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items from your box, then you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. I no longer have that $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago, Stitch Fix offered me the Style Pass. And so the Style Pass is where you pay $49 each year to have unlimited fixes sent to you throughout the year. Stitch Fix is now doing a fix preview, and so a couple weeks before your box is supposed to be sent to you, you'll get an email where you get 10 items to look at, and you can choose up to 5 items to have sent to you in your box. For this box, I did choose 4 of the 5 items, and then I had my stylist to go back and put one more item in to go with the pants that I chose for this box. So let's get into it to see what I got for this month. Right on top is my prepaid mailer envelope. I love that shipping is free both ways. It makes it very nice and convenient. So you're going to use this bag to send back anything that you're not going to be keeping, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll use this bag. Also inside is your white envelope, and inside the envelope is your price invoice sheet. And so this is fix number 52 for me. And you're also going to have your Oh Hello card, and this is a note from your stylist, but it also gives styling suggestions for the items that are sent to you in your box. I'm going to read my note real quick. Hi Jennifer, welcome to fix number 52. I hope your month is off to a great start. I will be filling in for Kara while she is out. So I have been one of the fortunate ones to have the same stylist the whole entire time, and so I'm hoping that I will be able to get Kara back with my next box. She's done a fantastic job, and I really like the way she has styled me over the years. I am glad you added some cool pieces to try from your fix preview. Let's take a closer look. I see you picked the Market and Spruce top and Love Ellie cardigan. These are perfect for your casual wardrobe. I added in the 41 Hawthorn blouse to wear with the cut jeans. These laid back and casual styles are sure to add a breath of fresh air to your wardrobe. I am looking forward to hearing your thoughts on everything. I'm calling this the season for self-care, and I hope this fix allows you for a bit more you time by taking shopping off your to-do list. Cheers, Tara. So Tara is filling in for Kara. And so here's a look at my bundle. And so I selected these 4 items, and then she chose this top to go with those pants. So let's take a closer look. All right, first off is by 41 Hawthorn, the Mauury Pleat Detail Split Neck Blouse in black. And here's that top. It's a black background with a very colorful splotchy print. The print has like burgundy, burnt orange, and it looks like a kind of goldish color. I'm going to get up close so you can see. I really like that. It is a little bit sheer because it's probably 100% polyester, which doesn't bother me. It does have pleating down the front, which you may not be able to see. It does have a split neck right here. It does have elastic at the end of the sleeves. And it does have a little bit of a longer back than the front. And so she selected this top to go with the burgundy pants that I chose from this box. And so I really like that. I like the colors in it. Very pretty. And anybody that knows me knows that I love shiny things, and so I really love the gold flecks that are in that top. Next is by Serein, the Amira side stripe detail knit top in teal green. And I have been loving this color, this kind of teal green color. And so it's just this knit top. It does have this really pretty kind of stripe detail down the side and a few buttons down here at the bottom. It is not super soft or anything like that. I'm curious to know what this is made out of, so I'm going to take a look real quick. So it says the self is 97% polyester, 3% spandex, and the contrast is 100% polyester. Interesting. Like I said, it's not super soft, but it's a really pretty color. Next, I picked this out because I thought it would be a more casual piece. It's by Market and Spruce, the Perine pocket hooded knit top in dark pink. And I also thought it might be able to go with the burgundy pants that I picked out in here. And so here's this top. It does have a hood. It does have striping. The stripes are like a burgundy, a pink, a gray, and then a really light pink and a white. So I'll get up close so you can see that. I really like the colors in it. It does have the kangaroo pocket right there on the front. And it does have like this stripe going down the back. So I thought that was just really cute and casual. I really don't have a lot of casual pieces in my closet. I have this item in 2 other colors, and I just really like it because I'm a teacher. I wear cardigans all the time, and so I feel like this cardigan washes and wears well. This is the Love Ellie Wells Confetti cardigan in burnt orange. And so I have it in black and dark purple. It's this really pretty burnt orange color, and it does have the little confetti specks of color in there. It does have the little ribbing on the cuff here. It does have pockets. And it does have slips on the side. And then lastly, I selected these cut from the Kloth Natalie Bootcut Corduroy jean in burgundy. Now I don't know that I absolutely love corduroy, but the color is what drew me in, and so I thought I would try them out. And so it's just this really pretty burgundy color. The corduroy is a very thin, I don't even know if you can see it, but sometimes corduroy has that really thick ribbing, and this has a really thin ribbing to it. They feel soft. They are a boot cut, and they are in the longer inseam that I need for my height. And like I said, I was thinking that this could go with that casual top if I really wanted it to, but I think she did a good job of selecting a top to go with these pants. So I'm going to get ready to do the try on, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back with the first item, and this is by Serein, the Amira side stripe detailed knit top, and it says it's in teal green. Now I just left on the jeans that I had on. These are a pair of Democracy bootcut jeans. So let's talk about this top. It is this really pretty kind of teal green, teal blue color. It does have some of that heathered look to it, which doesn't bother me. It's kind of like a little black kind of heathered look throughout. It is not super long, and it does have like a little band here, but you can't see it because it blends into the material that goes all the way around. It does have this kind of lace stripe detail that goes down to the buttons here at the bottom. And I just thought that was a really cute added detail for this top. It's kind of casual, but you could also dress it up if you wanted to. It is not super soft. It does have the rounded neck here. The sleeve length is good. I really like this top. What do you guys think about this one? Like I said, I think it could go either way. It could be dressed up or it could be dressed down. I'm going to try on the next top and I'll be right back. Alright, second item is by Market and Spruce, the Perine pocket hooded knit top. And it says that it is in dark pink. So like I mentioned earlier, I don't have a lot of casual items, and so when I saw this in my preview, I thought I'm gonna pick that up. I like the colors in it. Get up close so you can see that. It has like a burgundy, a lighter purple, some light pink, some gray, and some white in there. It does have like the little purple ribbons here. It does have the kangaroo pocket. It's soft, but it's not that super soft brush knit that makes you think that it's going to peel or anything like that. I like the length. And there's a stripe in the back. And I just really think this is a nice casual piece. You guys tell me what you think. I'm going to try on the burgundy pants with that top, and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with the next two items, and on top, this is the top that she picked to go with the pants for me. It is the 41 Hawthorn Mauury Pleat Detail Split Neck Blouse, and they say it is in black. And then on the bottom, I have the Cut from the Cloth Natalie Bootcut Corduroy Jean, and it's in burgundy. So let's start with the top. I really love that it has these shiny flecks of gold in it. I just love anything shiny. It does have the split neck. You may not be able to see it, but there's a pleat going all the way down the front right here. It does have a 3/4 length sleeve with elastic at the end of the arm. It is just a polyester blouse. It is a little bit shorter in the front and longer in the back, which I prefer. I like to cover my bottom. I'm going to try to get up close so you guys can see the different colors, but it has burgundy, burnt orange, and that really shiny gold color in it. I think she sent this top to me to go with these burgundy pants. I really like Cut from the Cloth jeans because they tend to fit me well. Now these are a bit snug at the waist, but I am planning on getting back on track after the holidays, so I plan on losing a few pounds. I can button them, they're just a little snug at the top. I would say that they are a mid-rise because my belly button's like right here, and it's right a little bit below that. Like I said, it's corduroy, but it's stretchy, and it has the thin ribbing of the corduroy, and so I don't hear it. You know how sometimes you can hear corduroy when you walk? I don't notice that. It is the perfect length for me to wear with boots, and I really love the color. So what do you guys think about this outfit? It does have pockets in the front and working pockets in the back. All right, the last thing I have is that cardigan, and I think I'm going to just throw it over top of this top because it does have the burnt orange in here, but I would not wear it with these pants. Maybe I'll put my regular jeans back on and then put the cardigan over top of this, and I'll be right back. So the last item is this cardigan, which I said I have two others. I have one in black and one in dark purple, and I love them. I paired it with this top because the top does have, I don't know if you can see that, but it does have burnt orange in it. So this is the Love Ellie Wells Confetti cardigan, and it's in burnt orange. And I love these cardigans because they are soft, they are stretchy, they wash and wear well. They're a good length. It has the pockets, has the slit on the side. It does have like a seam down the back. I paired this top and this cardigan with my jeans, but I think you could do black pants and that would look really nice with it as well. So this is just an item that I knew I was really gonna like, and like I said, as a teacher, I wear a lot of cardigans. All right guys, I'm gonna get changed and I'll be right back to do a recap and to talk about prices. All right guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices, and even though I didn't have my regular stylist, I think the new stylist did a good job of selecting the top to go with my burgundy pant, and it also paired well with the burnt orange cardigan that I chose for my fix preview. So overall, this was another really good fix for me. First off on my list is from Cut from the Cloth, the Natalie Bootcut Corduroy Jean in burgundy, and the cost of these are $79. I don't think that's a bad price for Cut from the Cloth pants, so I really like those. The length was good, and I really love this deep burgundy color. Really pretty. All right, next up on the list is by Serein, the Amira side stripe detail knit top in teal green, and the cost of this top is $46. And that was this top here. That was really pretty teal green color. You can see the heathering throughout. Looks like a darker blue or a darker green heathering throughout. I thought it was black, but I don't think it is now. But it had that really pretty side stripe detail with the buttons at the bottom. And I think this is a cute top that can be dressed up or worn more casually. Next is the Love Ellie Wells Confetti cardigan in burnt orange, and the cost of this is $48. It's just a really good staple cardigan. I love the color. I love the little flex, so you can pair it with lots of different colored tops. I also think it went well with that black top that my stylist put into this box. And so I'll definitely be keeping that. And then I have by 41 Hawthorn, the Mauury Pleat Detail Split Neck Blouse. And the color is black, and the cost of this is $60. Now it does have the really pretty metallic flex in it. And I looked to see what it was made from, and it's made from 100% recycled polyester. It does say to wash it inside out, and I'm guessing because of those gold flecks that are in the fabric. But I really like the colors that are in this. You guys tell me what you think, and I really think it paired well with the burgundy pants, but it also really paired well with that burnt orange cardigan. A little pricey, but I really do like it. And last but not least is by Market and Spruce, the Perine pocket hooded knit top in dark pink, and that was this hooded top right here with the purple ribbons. Really cute, really casual. I need more casual items in my wardrobe, and I really like this one. Love the colors. So my Stylist pick subtotal was $291. If I buy all 5, I get that 25% discount, which would take off $72.75. That would leave me with an order subtotal of $218.25, and that would be my final total because I don't have any credit and I'm not taking off that $20 styling fee because I have the Style Pass. So you guys tell me what you think. I think this was a great fix. I'm leaning towards keeping everything, but I want to know, what was your favorite item in my box? Do you think this is a 5 for 5 box? I'm really hoping to get my regular stylist Kara back for my next fix. Tara did a good job of pairing that top with my items in my box that I selected from my fix preview, but I would really, really like to have my regular stylist back. I am going to leave a referral link in the description box below. That referral link is good for $50, so that would mean that it would waive your styling fee, and then you would have $50 to put towards anything that you decide to keep in your box. My family loves Stitch Fix. We all do it. My husband, myself, and my daughter, and we just really appreciate the convenience of Stitch Fix. It's nice to be able to have clothes sent to you and to be able to try them on at home and then just ship them back if they don't work for you. So if you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. Until next time, bye guys.